Hello everyone, it's Mr. Lauber here. I just wanted to say first of all that I hope you're doing well. I hope you and your families and friends are all staying safe and healthy and that things are going okay. I wanted to take a couple minutes now to go over the problem of the month. I know some people have had some questions. I'm not going to give you the answers in this video, but I will kind of walk you through how I would approach the problem. Alright, so the first question we should always answer when we're tackling a problem of the month is just to read that problem of the month. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the problem. It says that your group is creating a design that is similar to the flag of Switzerland. In your design, the area of the white cross is 20% of the area of the square flag. 5 white squares form the cross in the middle of the flag. What is the length of the side of the white square? So the first thing we should always ask ourselves is, what am I trying to find? What am I solving for? And in this case, that is pretty simple. It tells us right at the end here, what is the length of the side of the white square? So I'm actually just going to copy and paste that. That is what I'm solving for. We can see that's also illustrated in the picture. There's a little question mark that's saying, what is the length of this white square? The second question we should always answer is, what information do we have? So this problem actually gives us a good amount of information. First of all, it says the area of the white cross is 20% of the area of the square flag. So there's two pieces of information right there. One, the flag is square. And two, the area of the white cross is 20% of the area of the flag. We also have a little bit more information. We know that 5 white squares form the cross in the middle of the flag. So this cross is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different white squares. 5 white squares make up cross. And then the last piece of information, it doesn't say this in the problem, but it shows in the picture, is that the side of the flag is 10 inches long. Side of flag is 10 inches long. So with all of this information, we are going to try and find what is the length of the side of the white square. So this is where, if you're not doing so already, I'd suggest getting out a piece of paper, something to write on, so you can write down and draw out your thoughts. So the first thing I would do is just draw a picture of this flag and label it with the information we have. So we know we've got a square flag, not a great square, but it doesn't matter. We've got a white cross in the center of it. We know this cross is made up of 5 different squares. So here we've got 1. Here we've got, right, this cross has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different squares. We want to find out the side of one of those squares. We know the side of the flag is 10 inches. And this is where it's helpful to think, what do we know about squares in general? Well, we know that squares always have the same side. So if one side is 10 inches, the other sides will also have to be 10 inches. This is 10 inches, 10 inches, 10 inches, 10 inches. And then if we know that, we can kind of begin trying to solve the problem. So my first step would be, is there a way I can find the area of this entire flag? Not the area of the white cross, not the area of an individual square, but in the area of the white flag. That's what I would recommend. The area of the white flag, it's a square. If you don't remember the formula for the area of a square, it's very simple. A equals S squared. This means that the area is equal to one side squared, or a side times the other side. So if one side is 10 inches, to figure out the area of the entire thing, we need to do 10 times 10. I'm not going to tell you what that is. You can do that math on your own. Once you've done that, you'll have the area of this entire thing. Okay, so I'm going to transition back to working on the screen here so you can see what I'm thinking. Basically, I've already given you what I would recommend as the first step. Find the area of the entire flag. That's this entire flag right here. What's the area of it? You have one side is 10 inches long. Use that to figure out the area. Now, I would recommend you pause the video here, go ahead, try to solve the problem on your own. If you're still stuck, I'm going to go through what my next recommended steps would be. So the second thing I'd recommend is once you've found the area of the entire thing, use that to figure out the area of the white cross in the center. So find area of the white cross. Once you've done that, you know that the white cross is made up of 5 separate squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find area of a single, just one, white square. You want to know, I know the area of the whole white cross. What's the area of one square? And then finally, use that to find the length of the side. Find what is the side of one white square. Hopefully that is enough to get you going on the problem of the month. If you're still stuck, email me, ask me any questions. Yeah, hope you all are doing well.